Well, hello and welcome to Battle of Champions, coming to you live from a rather pleasant Antigua, and I say that because Barbados was very, very hot. But in terms of temperature, of the fan energy, there is no dearth of Indian fans wherever the... As you see,
hot right here. It's very hot.
You should have been in Barbados. It was even worse.
We won!
So we are representing team. We are representing Pagadi
Barbados, Surya.
Okay, well, I'll ask you all.
Yeah. So this is Pagadi Pelton. We are supporting Team India, and we are coming from Washington DC.
Okay. Anybody fears the Bangladesh team?
We are going to beat them up.
This Bangladesh team is very overrated.
One second.
They've been carrying the fame for one or two good wins for many years. They're going to be put in their place. Today is the revenge game.
Revenge game. We all still remember 2007. We all still remember 2007 and how horrible that loss was. And it was right here in this Caribbeans, and we want to take revenge for that match, and right here, right now, baby.
Okay.
There should be no game that should be taken for granted. I think Team India better not take it lightly, and I think we should go for the kill right from the go ball.
So today's game and Monday's game, go for the wins and then go into the semi-finals in style and then go from there. Virat, Rohit shining all the way.
Come ahead. Yeah, what did you want to say at that time?
I just want to tell the Bangladesh team, Amar Shonar na Bangladesh.
And you know what? Who is our trump card? Chili mili dum dharaka, boom ra, boom ra. Chili mili dum dharaka, boom ra. So as always, Bumrah is gonna shine, and as well as Kuldeep Yadav is gonna support him, and Team India is gonna win big, and it's going to be a revenge game, as all of us have said, and we are gonna take in Team India to the semi-final.
Today is Virat Kohli's time to shine.
I was going to ask you that. Any of you worried with Virat?
No way. He's a big match player.
Champions,
So Virat Kohli.
champions come good in big games.
Yes.
Let's wait for the
Is this a big game? Is this a big game?
It is a big game.
It is a big game.
It is a big game.
It's going to be a game.
We are only at 60% of our performance right now, and we have won. We are 4-0.
Yeah.
So with Rohit, Virat, and the top order performing and improving in every game, we should be all set for the semis.
Okay.
The team is going to give this as a gift to Rahul Dravid. It's going to be a bittersweet revenge for 2007.
Yeah, that's a very interesting point. Very interesting point.
Virat 75, Bumrah 4 wickets.
Prediction.
For the wow.
And you know, like Virat Kohli and Bangladesh always have a special connection, right? And whenever he needs a big knock, and whenever there is a game against Bangladesh, he proves that and he comes good. So let's hope Virat Kohli is gonna play well and India is gonna win big.
Okay. You guys had a lovely chant there for Jasprit Bumrah. Anything else you got for anybody else?
For Team India.
Yeah.
जीतेगा भाई जीतेगा इंडिया जीतेगा भाई जीतेगा इंडिया जीतेगा मुंबईचा मुलगा गो मुंबई गणपती बाप्पा
We were speaking to a lot of Indian fans. I had a lot of trouble finding Bangladeshi fans, but now I have struck gold. I've found a couple of Bangladesh fans. Firstly, you're going to be outnumbered in the stadium, more Indian fans, but you've got the energy to cheer.
Of course, we're gonna be doing good, hopefully, yes.
Okay, what do you think the match is going to be like? You know, India-Bangladesh always gives close matches. Are you expecting a close match today as well?
Well, we always hope for the win. India is a good team, and Bangladesh have a lot of capabilities. They can make things, turn around anytime if they want it. The player has the potential to do that. It just, sometimes they have a bad time, good time going on. So hopefully they have the good time, and, as far as I know, player is in a good mood, and everybody, they will be doing good, and they're going to play for the winning.
What do you think?
Of course, Bangladesh is going to win. I believe Bangladesh is going to win today.
Do you have memories of 2007 World Cup here? It happened in West Indies. Bangladesh knocked India out.
Knocked India out, and I'm hoping today they're going to do the same thing. And because they have more opportunity to play better, and they will do better today.
Which are the players that you are going to be hopeful about? I know Hridoy has been in good form. Mustafa Zur is doing rather well for the team. Which other players you think are going to have a good game?
All the player has the good potential, as I told you. I believe Liton will be doing good. Hridoy. You have leg spinner, Shom.
Yes.
Leg spinner,
Rishad.
Rishad is
Rishad
good
Hussain.
one. Yeah, Rishad Hussain. So I believe everybody, if they can play their normal game, they will be doing good, and they can,
They can turn it around. Indian players, you've got a plan against Indian players. Virat Kohli, Rohit Sharma. How are they going to get them out?
Mustafiz is there. That's the number one because he has been playing in IPL for a long time and he knows how to get them out. I believe he will.
That's a very interesting point. Thank you so much for speaking to us. Have a great game inside. All
Win Bangladesh.
all the very best. So finally found a couple of Bangladesh fans as well. But once the game starts, you can expect a sea of blue. In fact, right behind me, you see majority of the fans that are turning up are a sea of blue, like you can see here. How are you guys? What have you got today? Let me read your caught between boundaries and deadlines. This is your work deadlines, is it?
It is. Except it's not, It's all fun.
Okay. He says, "Kar de sabko gumrah, Jasprit Bumrah." I like that.
He's going to do great today. Another 3-wicket haul as he's been doing for so many games now.
Here's another hopeful fan.
Kohli, come on, century time tonight, today.
It's been some days that runs haven't come off his bat. Today's the day.
Today is the day. I hope India bats first. Kohli makes 100 and makes our day. We have traveled a lot to come here. I saw your clip about the 15-hour journey. We also need some sixers from Akshar.
Akshar has been batting rather well.
Yeah.
Akshar has been. Okay, I met a few Bangladesh fans. I met a few Indian fans. Everyone's talking about 2007. Remember in the West Indies 50-over World Cup, Bangladesh knocked India out. Any worries on that regard? Because India-Bangladesh, you always get thrillers.
I have only one thing to say about Bangladesh. Kaun hoga chur chur, Mustafizur.
Kaun hoga chur chur, Mustafizur.
What were you saying about 1 in a 500 game?
It was a once in a lifetime thing for Bangladesh. Not going to happen every time, right? Nothing to worry.
I have one response to that. I remember when Bangladesh celebrated a bit early. 2016. So just remember, celebrate only after you win.
Okay, thank you guys. Have a good game. Lovely. Yeah. Hi.
We've been waiting to see you. How are you doing?
Lovely. Go ahead. Tell me. Come. You're live. Quickly tell me. What do you expect of the game today?
I think it's going to be an India win, but it's going to be a close one.
Close one.
I think we're going to win easily. We'll win in 15 overs. We're going to bat second because otherwise the game will get over. There's an inherent skeptical Indian fan here who's going to celebrate after the win.
Okay.
We're going to thrash them today. They're too good. Too good. And Kohli's going to come back to form today.
Okay, two Indian fans, two very different perspective. He thinks a close game, and there is enough evidence to suggest that in the past we've had close game, but this one here feels it's easy peasy, easy game.
India-Bangladesh games have traditionally been close, especially in the T20 format.
Yes, that is true. I just hope you get a good game. All the very best.
You're going to have fun.
Okay.
Quick
Yeah, we're live as well. So, you heard it from the Indian fans as well. All of them geared up for the game today. Some are expecting a close encounter. Some are actually expecting a game where the Indian team is going to dominate. So, plenty of fans now coming in, and a majority of them are just in a sea of blue. Come. What do you have to say?
Just excited for the game. We just want India to bat first and score more than 200 runs, so that we can just have a good match.
For all the batsmen out there, just get their forms in before the crucial games.
And the ground is amazing here. It's just like a park. So we have been expecting some balls to get to us.
They're expecting a few balls to sail over, get to the stands. Thank you so much. Guys, have a good game. I've got a few fans as well right here coming. We caught them in Barbados, and they are here once again. first question, flight का ticket कैसे मिला आपको?
फ्लाइट की बात छोड़ो, 16 घंटे लगा लिए यहाँ आने के लिए.
Also joining me is my colleague Vikrant Gupta. What were you telling?
No. See, I've been watching them since 2015 World Cup. So these are Bhojani brothers. They come from England, go to every ICC tournament,
yes,
and go back empty-handed. This time इसमें कप लेके जाना है.
लेके जाना है. यहाँ आज इस दफा लेके जाएंगे हम.
आप आज भी ट्राइकलर लगा के आए. ये देखिए.
You'll have to come closer. Let me show you. He wears lenses which are also tricolored lenses. You'll catch him on the ground. They travel all across the globe, watching Indian cricket. अच्छा, आज के मैच से क्या expectation है?
एक्सपेक्टेशन है सलामी बल्लेबाज अच्छी हो, विकेट ना गिरे, कोहली के रन आए, रोहित शर्मा पे भी रन आए.
हमको ओपनिंग थोड़ा स्ट्रॉन्ग चाहिए और कुछ नहीं चाहिए. ओनली ओपनिंग until 6 to 7 ओवर मिनिमम.
विकेट नहीं गिरना चाहिए.
विकेट नहीं गिरना चाहिए. रन थोड़ा कम होगा तो बाद में आ जाएगा, लेकिन विकेट इम्पोर्टेंट है. विकेट नहीं गिरना चाहिए.
अच्छा, thank you so much. Enjoy the game. You're hearing it from the fans as well. They're a bit worried about the opening partnership. Are you too, with how the Indian team is?
I am, Nikhil, because India has reached this far, and maybe they'll also make the semi-finals tonight. But the fact is, you would need runs from the openers, from Rohit and Virat, because every game you go into the middle order praying that you don't lose another wicket. So even the US game, what if Surya had gotten out? The last game, what if Surya had gotten out? So every game you cannot rely just on the middle and the lower middle order.
But the Indian team, you guys are saying that they should hold on and not lose wickets. Yes. But Indian team is saying we have to change that mindset. We have to play aggressive. If Rohit, Virat get out, no problem. We have 8 batters. Somebody will.
वो सिर्फ बोलने की बातें होती है, पर हजम नहीं होती है किसी को. जैसे बेसबॉल ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. डिफेंसिव भी खेलते हैं, बाद में आउट हो जाते हैं. Honestly, डर के खेलते हैं.
I like Indian team's mentality. आपके पास 8 बैटर खिला रहे हो, आप दुबे को खिला रहे हो, आप अक्सर को खिला रहे हो. आपने लेगी बाहर छोड़ा हुआ था. तो अगर 8 बंदे खिला रहे हो यार, ये 20 overs है. It's not 50 overs. I would say go crazy in the 6 overs. In that process, if you lose 1 or 2 wickets, I don't care. You have, like Bhai said, you have Surya Kumar. He's in the team for that thing. If someone we lose,
Hardik Pandya, Shivam Dube, everyone's
Akshar Patel, last over he came and he scored runs.
Those are very important 10-11 runs by.
Very important. And we watched last 3-4 games here. You lose early wicket. Every team is losing early wickets here. But
so you watch games here?
I've watched this is a 4th.
So how does the wicket behave generally in the morning?
In the morning, thoda फंस के आता है. And we, every time anyone is winning the toss, they're taking bowling first here.
But those are night games. I think today day game they may choose to bat.
Even the day game, the same thing happened. We watched one of the day game. The second batting is easier. The first bowling,
the ball comes onto the bat.
Ball comes off the bat the first time because they are changing pitches as well. Yeah. So sometimes you don't know what's going to happen with the new pitch. So it's better to take the bowling first if they win the toss. But coming back to that thing, I think Kohli should go aggressively, as aggressive he can, and Rohit Sharma is a god. So he can do anything at any given day.
One good thing is that we've got high-scoring games in Antigua so far. That is something that wasn't expected. Right. But almost 10 and over is what we're seeing. Yeah, you wanted to say something?
आज विराट का दिन है. This is the land of Sir Viv Richards.
That's a very important
swag से मारेंगे आज विराट.
That's interesting. King
Kohli.
King Kohli or King Viv, huh? Yeah, and King Viv is going to be at the ground.
And King Viv is a big fan of King Kohli.
Yeah, he is. We saw him other day. The way he walks, I think he's a replica of, Sehwag. The Kohli is a replica of in the swagness. He comes and I just pray and hope that Kohli go just crazy from the first ball go.
So Virat Kohli, much is expected out of Virat Kohli. Please tell us the report here. He was out practicing yesterday, even though it was an optional training.
It was an optional practice. The team had come right after the game. They flew from Barbados to Antigua. And you had Rohit Sharma, you had Virat Kohli, you had Ravindra Jadeja. All 3 of them incidentally struggling with the bat. They came out for practice yesterday. Plus Sanju Samson. And I think Sanju Samson again is an important talking point. Nikhil feels that Shivam Dube does deserve another chance. I somehow feel that maybe this is the time where you draw the line and you get Sanju in.
Yeah, that'll be interesting. Let me ask quickly. You guys, Dube another chance or change quickly and bring?
I would give a Dube another chance.
Dube played well in 2 matches, so I think he definitely gets another chance.
Last chance for him. But if it doesn't work out, then Sanju comes in.
He did play well in the USA game, so he...
Yeah, that US match he won.
He can stuck in like when early wickets fall, so he's a...
West Indies pitches are good for spinners, and he's really good with the spin, so that's why I feel like...
Give him another chance. Yes, you have lots of spinners in the Bangladesh rank as well, and if you need someone to neutralize them, you will have a Shivam Dube. But possibly, maybe the last chance, he needs to come good with the bat for the Indian team going forward in the tournament. If he has a good game, then he gets an extended run. If not, maybe Sanju Samson, the guy who's been practicing hard. In fact, we've been watching Sanju in the practice session. Every practice session, he's been working really hard.
Respect to Sanju. Sanju is amazing. But at the lineup, if you see it, I don't see his place right now. If, like you said, if Dube fails, it will be unfortunate if he fails. But if he does, then there's no option. Sanju has to come in.
But no change in terms of the fast bowler coming back here. You think the 3 spinners, Kuldeep will continue playing?
I think the formula of 3 spinners and 2 fast bowlers plus Hardik Pandya may just be right for the conditions, Nikhil.
Perfect combination.
I think New York was unexpected. I mean, the ball was flying off from all corners. So you played 3 fast bowlers and they did bowl well.
Yeah.
But I think also good on India that they didn't reveal Kuldeep much in that leg. Kuldeep is going to be a trump card. I mean, Akshar and Jadeja from the other end may just bowl that containing line. And with Kuldeep might go for runs. But if he picks up 2 wickets, 3 wickets, he'll be doing his job. Okay. The biggest asset that you have, Nikhil, is Jasprit Bumrah. And I'm sure Bumrah must only be telling the players, the batsmen, just give me power scores and I'll win the game.